early 2000. Oh, so far naman kasi UA, known naman since before sa quality ng surplus import ng mga trucks. So, ever since we started buying surplus truck, so sa UA na kami kumukuha ever since. And for the past, yung operations namin is around 25 years na. Then, most of our units are in UA galing. Sa mga nakuha naman namin, tested naman lahat na maayos at tumatagal. Same as siguro compare mo to China brand. So, kami sa katagalan kasi, we are using surplus Japan. So, mas kampante kami, especially when we get it here in UA. In fairness naman, maganda naman yung presyo talaga ni UA. Yung total units ko, mga around 100 units yon. So, it's mix of 4-wheeler, 6-wheeler, 8-wheeler, 10-wheeler, 12-wheeler na mga aluminum van. We already experienced yung actual saka online. So, kailangan din ng konting adjustment na parang on time, real time yung na pag nag-bid, ito yung bid price ko, dapat dito kinol. All in all, convenient naman talaga yung online. Kasi, especially for us na maraming ginagawa. So, maganda din kasi nasa bahay lang or nasa office lang. Basta as long as we already check the unit physically. So far naman sa experience namin with UA, from inspection hanggang sa pull-out, wala naman kaming issue. Mabilis, madali. So, pag nag-schedule kami, so within the day tapos din. So, first is, tested ko na yung mga units na maayos, na tumatagal, and quality. Second is, yung pricing naman kasi nagbabari lang ng konti eh. So, hindi masyadong nag-a-affect. Kasi, yung rate ng mga trucks is same lang din sa iba. But when you see the quality, kaya kami tumatagal kay UA. Yes, especially for our business, logistics, no? So, pag nag-require si client sa akin ng additional unit, so automatic takbo kay UA. And for the longest time, we started from 0 to 1 to 10 units. And now, siguro, that's around 600 units nationwide na ginagamit kong truck. Majority niyan kay UA. For the beginners naman, you can compare the brand new and the surplus. So, mas mababa pa rin si surplus. When it comes to quality, durability, for us na nasa 25 years na in this business, so, masasabi kong mas sulit yung value for money na kinukuha natin kay UA. Yes, ang dami ko lang na-recommend na mga kaibigan ko, mga truckers ko na lumalapit kung saan ako kumukuha. So, nare-recommend ko si UA, especially when it comes to requirements nila ng trucks.
3, 2, 1!
146 out!
Out, sir! Out! Takes them both!
I warned you all.
Yes!
Goodbye. Thank
Seven
you.
Ay, napaka...
So,
very cheap.
Fire number 331, pakitaas po. 331 number po. Fire 331. Takes
331
two.
the buyer.
Takes them both.
Wow!
Takes the pair. They're gone.
Again, thank you for always giving your quality units. Ever since, you never failed us to what we expect from the units that we have, na sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin si UA mag-provide ng quality and maayos na mga units, especially for us businessmen na who are relying on your units na binibigay sa amin.
Nabili
Sa bidding, ikaw ang bida.